So the Fatimids actually, they were staying in Tunisia, okay? And they tried to get to Egypt with 3 of their boats, but they failed, okay? But actually, in 969, they succeeded.
I want a photo. I want a photo.
Okay, let me give you some explanation about the Al-Moez. So Al-Moez, when he came in here, he ordered the city or the gates or the walls.
That's what they're doing. Kids.
And here, in this area, that was the mud brick old wall. Of course, through the centuries. You know, we are talking about from the 10th century till the 9th.
All those kinds. All we have is green and black. Oh. I'm watching my step.
Yeah. You saw a dog pooping back there. That looks old.
Look at the windows, the wooden windows. Look at the windows.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Muhammad Ali, 19th century. That's the master.
Shisha, okay.
But in Lebanon and Syria they call it Nargila.
Oh, okay.
And I think old merchant area.
Way less carbs.
Where's
Fez is Morocco.
Oh.
Fez is like not.
Yeah.
This is very good.
Yeah.
When it is a long pencil, it dates back to the time of King Muhammad Ali.
When? What?
A long pencil.
Oh,
long,
okay, yeah. Point. The long pointy.
Date back to King Muhammad Ali. If it is like this, but short pencil, Ottoman style.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So the long is 1820s and
the King Muhammad Ali,
which is 18. Everybody wants to take a picture of this. I remember this. They had this stuff in Morocco. Yeah, go. This is so fun.
So why would someone buy this?